Wow! Yeah! Swing on by, come and check it out. A knock on the door. What's that about? Who could it be? Is it for me? Who could it be? Tillie's our favorite girl, there's no doubt. So funny and playful, come give her a shout. The front door is open for friends to drop by. She's waiting for you to come in and say hi.
Tillie, knock knock.
Peekaboo. I see you. Want to come over and play another game? Come on in then. This is my house. All of my neighborhood friends come by to visit me here. We have play dates. I love playing games with my friends. Sometimes I even play jokes on them. What's that? It's not coming from in there. The knocking isn't coming from here either. I wonder what that knocking could be. Meow. I know! It's a visitor knocking at the door. Oh me, oh my! I wonder who's come by. Who is it? Meow. Whoa! That's quite a sound! Somebody's come over for a play date. But I can't tell who it is. Can you help me figure it out? Meow. Who goes there? Let's listen. Meow. What animal sounds like that? Meow. Ha-ha! It sounds like meowing. I know what animals meow. Cats. Cats love to meow. It must be my friend Caleb the cat at the door. Have you come to visit Tillie, the funniest duck in town? That's me. Meow.
Why, yes, Tillie. I've come over to play. Can I come in? Meow.
That meowing is definitely a cat.
Meow. Hi, Tillie. It's nice to see you.
I knew that had to be you, Caleb. A happy meow from a happy cat.
We cats love to meow. Meow.
We figured it out. A happy meow from a happy cat. I'm glad you came over to play with me. Come by again. You never know who will visit next time.
Meow. Bye-bye.